For my final, I chose Science of Eggs. And I found out right before recording that I only have one egg left. So, for this one, I'm going to do the sunny side up. The science of the eggs are the eggs come from the chicken, and the chicken needs certain things to make the eggs, like food and water, to stay alive long enough to produce the eggs. And this butter wasn't really mentioned in the slides, but it's added to prevent friction from the egg before it's finished cooking, commonly used for bubbled. Now, the next thing in this is going to be the motions and forces. The forces are going to be what cracks the egg. You have to trap this, which could kind of go into the weather and climate, but I didn't really think that when I was writing this. But for this, I put the weather affects the farming that leads to the production of eggs. Rain helps the crops grow and feeds the chickens, and extremely hot weather will stress the chickens out. Climate affects how much food can be produced, which affects how many eggs can be produced. While it finishes cooking, we can move on to the matter and periodic table. Eggs are matter because they have mass and take up space. Cooking eggs is a chemical reaction. Particles move faster when the egg heats up. When the eggs heat up, heat energy cooks the egg over time, as we're seeing here. The last thing that I didn't get to is the waves in space. The sun helps a plant to grow, which helps support the chickens that produce the eggs. Light and heat are forms of electromagnetic waves. Microwaves can reheat cooked eggs. Solar energy supports life and food productions on Earth, including eggs. And here is the final result. It's kind of a cloudy egg, but it's whatever. But speaking of cloudy, the weather and the climate, I don't remember if I got here, but weather affects the farming that leads to the production of eggs. Rain helps grow the crops to feed the chickens, and extremely hot weather can stress the chickens out. Climate can affect how much food can be produced, which affects how many eggs can be produced. And I'm remembering I already read this one, so it doesn't really matter.